All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about sometimes you get to be the hero by doing your job right. So we had a Jeep Grand Cherokee get towed in, went out to the vehicle, nothing comes on, no lights in the dash, key is stuck in the dash, and nothing turns on. Put a jump box on it, nothing works. It is that generation of Jeeps where the voltage regulator for the alternator is built into the PCM. It fails, it overcharges, kills the alternator, repeat. There was a recall on it. Immediately went there, disconnected the alternator, and well, it still didn't have power. Okay, continued on testing. Battery's got power, good there. Go up to the main junction point. Main junction point is just a bunch of fuses, but I don't know if it'll show up. But the main 150 amp fuse is blown. Now, literally I got description of no start, no crank. That was my description. So I went out there, did my diagnosis. I'm not being facetious. I probably had more time walking back and forth to the parking lot getting stuff than I did actually diagnosing it. Tested on this post, had power. On the circuits coming off of it, I did not. Didn't have power where I should have power that fed the fuse box. So pulled this out, saw it was blown. Talked to the service writer, said we need one of these. Probably still going to need other stuff, but we need to fix this first and go from there. Later, I got the story that buddies were trying to jump start the vehicle, and well, he was trying to crank it while another guy was putting the jump box on it or jumper cables, and after that, nothing. So, okay. I got an hour diag, put this in, fired right up, wound up needing a battery, which I guess was the original problem. Come to find out, the other shop that had it before us didn't know that, didn't know it was at another shop, quoted them $6,000 to fix it. PCM, all sorts of stuff, not even sure of everything, but it was $6,000. The guy was sure about that for a $100 fuse box. Now, I'm not claiming to be the best technician in the world, but at least diagnose a vehicle. Come on, people. This took 15 minutes to find. This wasn't hard. This wasn't even, it just wasn't hard. $6,000 versus, I think our final bill was like $500, $600 after diag, part, and battery install, versus $6,000. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.